It's very clear that it's all nothing, 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 isn't it? Nothing, and the mind trying to convince you of its somethingness. Because unless it can convince you of the somethingness of this appearance, it cannot convince you about the somethingness of you as a person. And all that it is trying to do is trying to convince you that this nothing person is something. This nothing person. Some will hear this nothing person and some will be completely joyful to hear it. And some will feel that something is being attacked. Yeah? Some will feel when I say that you are nothing, some will feel that this is an attack. And others will feel that it's the most blissful thing that you ever heard. So that even if it is feeling attacked, we can see what is it that doesn't like hearing this. That I am nothing, I am nothing. Something wants to attack back and say, I'll show you who I am, I'll show you. And I'm waiting for that, you see. I want to see. Show me who you are. Really. Show me who you are, really. Don't show me what you are pretending to be, because that has of no value. Don't show me a concept of what you are. Don't show me some beliefs that you picked up. Oh, I am like this or I'm like that. The next month you come and say, no, I'm like this, I'm like that. Yeah? Then we wonder why suffering happens. Because these ideas, we're just resting on beliefs, and all beliefs are changing. Pick up new beliefs all the time. So we keep relying on these beliefs, then how will you be steady? How will there be steadiness? If you are relying even on spiritual beliefs, then how will this peace, peace of truth arise? Then we wonder why suffering happens. Then echo, with idea, we just resting. That's what I sound like, huh? What can you tell me about yourself which is not an idea? Even the most glorious idea is not you. And we are in the habit of picking up really some nonsense ideas mostly. Oh, I am an angry person. I am not free because still anger comes. How I'm not behaving kind. We pick up all this nonsense usually. I need to be more loving. I'm not open enough. I have not understood anything. See the rest of the Sangha, they're so loving. I'm not loving at all. I'm fake. All these very popular ideas you pick up, you see, very popular ideas. It's all rubbish. That's why there is no, I'm not bothering to convince this one. about your true nature, because this mind cannot understand it, cannot fathom your greatness. The mind cannot fathom what you are. I say the universe gives birth in you. Can the mind understand this? I say that this entire play of appearances is dancing for you. Can the mind get this? No. But to simply see that awareness is what I am, and then there's this play of appearances which is dancing in front of me. So simply it can be seen. Doesn't need the mind, doesn't need any effort. Just needs a very innocent, simple looking. What is here now? And then we're very quick to pick up, but, this is still here. No, I cannot deny it. Oh, it's still here. I'm not saying it's not here, but here in the appearance. All this is coming and going. See? Here where? Here inside awareness? As awareness is something happening to you? No, I cannot believe that story. All you can tell me about is some appearance which is coming and going.